Am I glowing? Nope, just sweating. What is so wonderful? I'm not gonna talk about how hot it is. What's so wonderful about this recipe is that it's good. What's so wonderful about this recipe is that this cheese is gonna melt. I'm gonna get this finished in a second. What's so wonderful about this recipe is that it is full, I said recipe again, just redoing everything multiple times. It's so fun. They just creep on up. They can't help it. Is that I'm doing weird things with my hands. I'm all wrapped up, doing what I can. Feels great outside, but it's just fun building insecurities in my life. I don't remember how I like to do it. Hot dog style, not hamburger style. Oh shoot. Not doing so good, pearls. Almost sliced some fingers in half. Now it's time to assemble this baby. I'll be back, but I'm coming as ooh.